Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Oh my goodness, you guys, there are so many deals this week. I'm going to talk with you about the best deals I found at Target and at Walmart for the week. So my goal was I'm going to show them a bunch of food deals because a lot of people have been saying I want more grocery deals. And as I was putting it all on the table, I'm like, I don't know how to fit it all up there, so I actually left a couple items out that I'll try to remember to tell you about verbally, and then I have this one down here hiding that I'll tell you about here in just a little bit. I'm trying to think of anything important that you might want to know before we get started. I guess one thing, kind of a blanket statement, and I think most of you know this, the deals that I tell you about are the deals that I see the day I do them. Since I don't work for any of these cashback apps, I never know when the offers are going to go away. So if I talk about an offer and you're like, hey, I don't see that anymore, it's possible that the offer has gone away. Always double check your app. If you've purchased something, make sure you submit your receipt right away. You don't want to hold on to your receipt for a couple of days and then try to go back and find it and snap the receipt because it might be too late at that point. So just try to get in the habit of snapping your receipt right away. If there's no one in line, like at the self-checkout, I do it right there at self-checkout. If there's people waiting, I will just walk to my car and quickly snap the picture of my receipt before I leave the store, because once I leave the store, that is not going to be on my high priority list. I will forget. So I do it right away. Now with Swagbucks, and I'm going to talk with you about a few different Swagbucks offer. It's been hot right now, like amazing deals. But oftentimes they'll go away and then come back. So if you're like, I don't see what you're talking about, pop back on the app maybe 6 hours later or the next day or whatever and see if you see it there, because they'll often go away and come back. Sometimes they'll go away and come back at a different dollar amount. That's something that I'm not privy to that information. So I just tell you the deals as I see them. So let's talk about Target deals first. Then I'm going to tell you about Walmart deals. Okay, so these Baby Bell cheeses, they're the plant-based cheese. They're priced at $4.49 each. There was a Swagbucks offer, or is a Swagbucks offer, for $7 back when you buy two. That makes these bags just 99 cents each. Now, I have literally never found a plant-based cheese that I like, so I'm excited to try these. If you've tried them, let me know what you think. Someone mentioned that they're vegan and that they liked these, so I'm excited to try them. Her recommendation is what actually got me to purchase them in the first place. So this is kind of a fun offer, and it's a little bit different. The Kodiak Cubs, these little waffles, first of all, they're cute, and I love their barcodes because they look like bears. They are buy one, get one 25% off. So they're priced at $5.69. So buying one is $5.69. When you purchase the second one, it's $4.26. That's a final total of $9.95. But Fetch Rewards has an offer for $3 back on each of them. It was a limit of 3. So I got $3 back on each of those. But the Ibotta app also had a rebate for $1 back on both. So $6 back on Fetch, $2 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $1.95 for both of them, or 97 cents each. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. So another deal I did was on these Dr. Praeger's. I feel like there's a lot of frozen stuff. These are $5.79. There is a 50% off Target Circle offer that you can clip in your app. There's also a $2 printable that you can get from the Dr. Praeger's website. I'll link that for you in the printable document. You pay 89 cents, but then submit your receipt to the Shopkick app where you'll get $2.10 back, making it completely free and $1.21 moneymaker. Even if you didn't want to mess with the cashback app because you're just too busy for that, 89 cents for a product that originally cost $5.79, not a bad deal. Okay, the hot dogs, and I legit pulled these out of my refrigerator. I did not purchase them because I knew we would not eat them, but there's a Shopkick deal on the hot dogs. So they are priced at $2.69. There's a Shopkick offer for $1.84 back. So if you like hot dogs, that makes this just 85 cents, which is a good price, or it seems like a good price to me. This one I was excited about because I love the King's Hawaiian rolls. These are $4.79. And then I picked up these Grillo's pickles. I wonder if it's Grillo's or Grillos. I don't know. I don't know if it's a Spanish brand or not. So the pickles are $3.99. There is a Shopkick offer. When you buy both of these, you're gonna get $5 back. So I paid $8.78 at the register, got $5 back on Shopkick, making both items $3.78, which is cheaper than just buying the Hawaiian rolls alone. Now, I had actually emailed King's Hawaiian a few months back asking if they ever send coupons out, and they mailed me coupons. So if you want to know the list of places that sent me coupons when I emailed them, you can find that on my website at Saving with Christina. I can link it for you down below if you want to check that out. Okay, so I think that was all at Target. The Simulate Nuggets, I've mentioned that one before. I will include a link down below if you haven't used that link yet. It will give you 1 box of Simulate Nuggets completely free, so I'll include that in the video description box. Now let's talk about Walmart. Okay, the first offer I'm going to mention, you could do at Target or you could do it at Walmart. It's these Annie's mac and cheese. It's $1.26 at Walmart. It was $1.36 at Target. But I had a Fetch Rewards offer for 75 cents back, making my final cost just 51 cents for this pack of Annie's mac and cheese. What do I want to talk about next? The popcorn. So first of all, it's open because I have no self-control with this popcorn. It's amazing. Like, I can totally pass on the caramel popcorn. That doesn't really do a whole lot for me. But this, like, it's called Lesser Evil, and it's the Himalayan sweetness. It, like, tastes a little bit like coconut, and it has, like, a little hint of sugar. Oh, my God, it's so good. Okay, you could do this at Target, too. I did it at Walmart. It's $2.98 at Walmart. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got 75 cents back. There is a Merrifield offer. The Merrifield app had $1.50 back on this, making my final cost just 73 cents. And I tried this because of a cashback app and totally fell in love with it, so just be careful. All right, the school glue, they are on clearance for 54 cents still. There's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making them 4 cents each. It's a limit of 5. For 4 cents, I grabbed 5 more packs, planning to donate them to one of my teacher friends. So easy deal there. That reminds me, Walgreens also has their summer stuff 90% off. So definitely check out the Walgreens 90% summer items if that's a store you shop at. I was able to pick up like these bubble wands for 10 cents a piece. And I texted my teacher friend and I'm like, hey, do you think your kids would like these? Like, I can get you 20 of them right now. So great deal, easy way to spoil some kiddos in your life. Food, let's talk food first. Swagbucks deals. The Werthers. Now, this offer is coming and going. It's been popping off. It's been popping back on. Check your app. Submit your receipt immediately. You can do this deal at Walgreens. They're 2 for $5 at Walgreens. You can do it at Walmart. This was $2.98 at Walmart, so better deal at Walgreens this week. But let's say you don't shop Walgreens, pick up 2 of these guys at $2.98. You're gonna get $6 back on Swagbucks, making them completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. And these are a limit of 2 per week, and that means 2 of the offers, and the offer is to buy 2. So you can actually get 4, if that makes sense. You could get 4 and you're gonna get $12 back. If you buy 2, you're gonna get $6 back for this popcorn, and everyone's telling me it's delicious. I still have not tried it. While we're talking about Swagbucks, let's talk about these Soylent drinks. These are $2.98 each. There is an offer on Swagbucks for $6 back when you buy 2 of them. Obviously, that makes both of them free and a 4-cent moneymaker, but you can do that deal twice as well. So I picked up 4 of these and would get back $12 on Swagbucks. Now, all of my Swagbucks receipts have been going through without any issues. For some reason, this one was like, uh-oh, we didn't find that on your receipt. And I'm like, okay, it's the only thing on my receipt, but whatever. And so I had to click request review. And so I'm still waiting on that to go through. So if you don't like messing with that, maybe skip this offer because I didn't have any issues with my other Swagbucks offers, just the Soylent this week. So since we're talking about Swagbucks, let's go ahead and talk about the undies. Again, this deal has been going away, coming back. The price has changed. I think it was $12 first. Now it's $18. So these women's undies, there's like a 6 and it's crossed out and it says 9 and it's the Heather ones. These are the best deal that I've found. $9.48 each, and I say I found. Sisters Saving You Cents is the one who found it and told me about it. So thank you, ladies, for that. $9.48 each, $18 back on Swagbucks. That makes them 48 cents a pack. Awesome, great donation item. Or if you need this product, there were offers for boys, for girls, for women, for men. Again, this was just the best price point, which is why I'm showing you this deal. Okay, Arm & Hammer. Arm & Hammer toothpaste, $3.53, $2 back on Ibotta, $1.50 back on coupons.com, making it 3 cents. But another app I use is called Makina. It has like healthier options like fresh fruits and vegetables, but it had a 25-cent rebate for the Arm & Hammer. So that made my final cost completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're brand new to Makina, use my referral code because you'll score an additional $1 when you scan your first receipt. It's an app that's been around for a while, and I love that they have fruits and veggie offers. So I submit my receipt there when I'm doing my regular grocery shopping. Now, this was kind of a fun surprise. I picked up this Chobani Zero Sugar. Now, when I scanned these in Ibotta, 2 different offers popped up. So I was like, are both of those going to attach? Sure enough, they did. I had 2 different BOGO offers. So I grabbed 2 of the Chobani Zero Sugar, priced at $1.22. That's $2.44 at the register. Then I got back $1.18. I also got back $1.22 on Ibotta, making my final cost 4 cents for both of them, or 2 cents each. Awesome yogurt deal. Now, another yogurt deal that I did was on the Yoplait yogurt. It's $3.12. 60 cents back on Ibotta, making it $2.52. I also have a General Mills offer over on Fetch Rewards, so of course submit your receipt there as well. So it, like mine was, oh, I don't want to lie to you, it was maybe like $5 when I spent $25 or something like that. I'll pop it up here on the screen. But just another little extra perk of buying something that my family was going to eat anyway. What else we got? The palm olive. This might be the last one. I feel like I always end up missing something. So this palm olive, $2.53. Now, I have not been able to find the Scotch Advanced, so I picked up this Scotch-Brite little dish cleaning wand, brush, whatever you want to call it, at $3.33. So at the register, I paid $5.86. Submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got $6.10 back for buying them both on the same receipt, making my final cost completely free and a 24-cent moneymaker. And my son and I put this together the other night from weeks ago when I bought one of these for free. It's actually really cool. Like, I want to do a reel of how it goes from being like this gel and liquid to being this like cool. Maybe I need a more exciting life. I thought it was really cool how it like came together as this gel. So if I do the reel, I'll let you know because I thought it was neat. All right, that was everything. Now, I did not add it up completely because I was adding different deals and taking them off as I saw the rebates went away this morning. but it was right around the $10 mark for all of that stuff. Maybe 12. I don't want to lie to you. Just great deals, and I really was excited to share more food deals with you guys. If you happen to see my shirt here, my mom got me this one for my birthday too. It says Coupon Legend. And I think it's an extra small. She normally gets me extra smalls. And sometimes we'll get an extra small that fits like this, like it's a medium. And sometimes we'll get an extra small that looks like it was made for a 7-year-old girl. So it's always, you know, a crapshoot when you order clothes online. But I think it's cute, even though it's a little big. And it's green, and I love green. All right, guys, pictures of clearance at the end of the video. I'm going to run the Target clearance pictures first, then Walmart clearance pictures. Lots of food on clearance at Target, and that made me happy. So definitely check out those pictures. Questions, comments, concerns about the deals, let me know down in the comments below. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks.